Hey Kickstarters! 2 years ago, you made history by backing the splashdrone, the first waterproof drone that can float and take pictures and video underwater and in the air. Today we're back on Kickstarter to bring you the much more advanced Splashdrone 3 Auto and Fisherman Edition. The Splashdrone is now modular and comes with a 4K detachable camera and a stronger payload release system to deliver your bait or payload over water. If you have a drone, you know what it feels like to fly over water. And if you still don't, you've probably seen video of the thousands of drones that have crashed in the water to never be seen again. Our goal is to change the way you fly by removing the fear of flying over water or even land on it. The new camera captures 4K video at 25 frames per second and 14 megapixel pictures. The gimbal has stronger motors for better stable video underwater and in the air. It also has a quick release clip that allows you to store your Splashdrone in this redesigned compact travel case. We've also redesigned the flight controller to make it more stable and repositioned the GPS to provide more accurate location hold while still giving you features that make flying easier than ever. Features like return to home at the flip of a switch, waypoint navigation, follow me mode, and tap to fly to a specific location on the map. All features that can be accessed on the swellpro mobile app, available for Android and iOS devices. The Splashdrone Fisherman Edition now comes with a completely redesigned payload release system that's equipped with a high-resolution fixed camera that allows you to see where you're dropping your bait or live vest. By redesigning the remote control from the ground up, we were able to integrate a high-resolution video monitor with an on-screen display that shows the health of the Splashdrone and vibrates to alert you when the battery is running low. The entire propulsion system has also been re-engineered for more stable and longer flights, and the quick-lock propellers allow it to fly at up to 35 miles an hour. Today, we're coming back to Kickstarter and hope that you can help us continue the dream of delivering the best Splashdrone yet. Thanks!